It starts before you've even had a coffee. The screen goes on just for a few minutes, just while they wake up. And then it's time to get dressed. And the screen doesn't go off, and the asking starts, and the ignoring starts, and the repeating starts. And suddenly, everyone is running late. Everyone is shouting, and what should have been a calm start to the day has turned into something nobody wanted. Does this sound familiar? The morning didn't fall apart at the school gate. It fell apart the moment the screens went on. The single biggest reason morning routines fail is screens. Not because screens are the enemy, but because using screens before the morning routine is complete creates a battle that most families never fully recover from before the school day begins. So here's what actually happens. The screen goes on, your child's brain locks in, and from that moment, everything you need them to do becomes an interruption to what they're doing. Getting dressed is an interruption. Breakfast is an interruption. Shoes and bags are an interruption. Leaving the house is an interruption. And your child, who didn't ask for any of these interruptions, reacts accordingly. Now here's the part that's hardest to hear. If you know from experience that giving your child a screen in the morning is going to cause a battle when it comes off, then giving them the screen is setting both of you up to fail. Before the day has even started, the answer isn't managing the battle better, the answer is not creating it in the first place. No screen until everything is done. Dressed, breakfast finished, bag packed, shoes on, ready to leave. If there's time after all that, the screen is the reward for a calm morning, not the starting point for a chaotic one. Before I go any further, I put together a free pack of calm, clear phrases for exactly these moments. It's called the Steady Word Pack. The link is in the description. Grab it at the end of this video. So let me show you where a chaotic morning actually ends up. The screen battle starts, voices are raised, everyone is rushing. Things are said in the heat of the moment that nobody meant. Your child arrives at the school gate already dysregulated, angry, upset, possibly crying. And you feeling guilty, feeling rushed, feeling like the worst parent in the world. Either push them in quickly without a proper goodbye because you can't bear to extend the moment, or you stand at the gate trying to explain everything that happened and how sorry you are in front of your child, who is now crying harder because the goodbye became even more complicated. Either way, your child walks into school carrying all of that. The argument, the rushing, the guilt, the goodbye that didn't feel right. And that's what they're sitting with when they should be ready to learn. And you carry it through your entire day too, all of it, starting from the moment the screen went on. So what does a morning routine that actually works look like? It starts the night before. Bag packed, uniform ready, anything that causes a decision in the morning taken off the table the night before. Because decisions in the morning cost time and energy that neither you nor your child have yet. Then the morning itself follows a simple order, the same order every single day. Up, dressed, breakfast, teeth, shoes, bag, and out. That's it. No negotiation of the order, no skipping steps, no screens until every single step is done. And here's why the order matters. When a child knows exactly what comes next, they don't need to be told 5 times. They don't need to be chased. They don't need to be shouted at, because the routine is predictable, and predictability removes resistance. Your child isn't fighting you. They're moving through something they already know. Even a well-established morning routine will have hard days. Your child will be tired, you will be tired, something will run over, someone will be slow. On those days, the temptation to give in, to let the screen go on just this once, to skip a step just to keep the peace is enormous. Don't, because just this once is how the wrong routine rebuilds itself. One morning of giving in tells your child the routine is negotiable today, and a negotiable routine isn't a routine. On the hard mornings, keep the order the same. Keep your voice calm, keep the expectations exactly where they were yesterday. That consistency, especially on the hard days, is what makes the routine real. There's one more thing I want to talk to you about, the goodbye. How your child leaves you in the morning matters more than most parents realise. A calm, connected goodbye, even a brief one, gives your child something to carry into their day. They feel settled, they feel safe, they feel like the morning was okay. A rushed, guilty, complicated goodbye does the opposite. So whatever happens in the morning, however hard it was, make the goodbye count. Keep it short, keep it warm, keep it consistent. I love you, have a good day, and I'll see you later. That's enough, that's everything. The morning routine doesn't have to feel like a battle, but it won't fix itself. Start tonight, pack the bag, lay out the clothes, decide on the order, and make the one decision right now. No screens until everything is done, because a calm morning doesn't start with the alarm when the alarm goes off. It starts with the decisions you make the night before. If you missed part 1 of this series, where we looked at why every family already has a routine and what needs to happen before any routine can work, the link is in the description. If this video helped, the Steady Words pack is in the description. It's a free download with calm, clear phrases for exactly these moments. New videos every week, and I'll see you in the next one.